So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to review the Wagoner from Maruti Suzuki, and it is from Senti Toys, and it is the Euro 2 model. So if I will talk about the price, then may someone would not believe me that I have bought it for around 100 bucks from Amazon. Really, I kid you not, I have bought it for around 100 bucks. So I would tell you the story. So when I have gone to Amazon, that time was kind of Diwali offer, and I have got it for around 100 bucks. But the shipping charges and all, then it got till 130 rupees. So 130 bucks is quite okay for this toy, but I would like to say that the real price is around 140 to 150. But if you can buy it from Amazon, then do buy it from Amazon only, because if how much cheaper you will buy it, that much good it is. So I have ordered it in red color, but I have got it in white color. So you get red, yellow, blue and white. So these are the colors, and this is the Euro 2 model, and here is written 16 valve MPFI. So this was the the second model of the Wagoner. So it had MPFI technology. The before's model used to run on carburetor, that's why this is written. And the graphics are quite nice for this white color toy. And if you will look it from the front, then one thing you will be noticing, why these are black and why these are so big. So this is a small, which is the round one, that is a fog lamp. I have increased the height of it and make it kind of a vent with black color, which really looks nice. And one thing obviously you will be noticing that why the number plate is on this side. So nothing to do, because the front grille of the Wagoner has the radiator on it, so the radiator sucks air very high. That's why if the radiator will not suck air, then the car wouldn't run properly. That's why the number plate is not on the center or on this side, it is on this side. That's why, that is the main reason for it. And the headlight is in quite nice finish. Okay. And at the front you all can see the wipers, and this doesn't come from the company in black, I have only made it. And over here the grill is also in black. This grill, I'm not saying this grill, this I have only made. And the mirrors are in black, which I have only made, and the door pockets and this design also I have only made, and this one also, the lining, and this on the tires also. And at the back, if you will talk, the lock also is in black, which I have only made, and the wipers also, and the tail light also. And the spoiler looks quite nice, but it's so small. And the Wagoner logo looks really nice. A pretty car the Wagoner is. On this model specifically, I say, because it is a kind of pretty model, but I would like to say that it could have openable doors, but nothing to do. Senti Toys didn't give. And the motor was vanished. I don't know, but when I bought it, that time the motor was working, but now it doesn't work. Why, I don't know. It only moves like this. Sorry. So this was all for today's review. So if you have liked this review, then please do give a like to it. So bye guys, I will see you on the next video.